Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your BenQ monitor keeps flickering, blinking, or the screen starts flashing while you are working or gaming, it can become very distracting and frustrating. Sometimes the screen flickers only for few seconds, while in other cases it continues constantly and makes the monitor hard to use. This issue can happen because of cable connection problems, display settings, refresh rate mismatch, or power related interruptions. Since a monitor depends on a stable signal from the computer, even a small connection issue can cause the display to flicker unexpectedly. Many users think the screen is damaged immediately, but often the real cause is much simpler and easier to fix. Before replacing anything, it is important to check a few common things first. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a BenQ monitor flickering issue. Try these. Step 1. Check the display cable connected to the BenQ monitor and reconnect the BenQ monitor cable securely. Step 2. Restart the device connected to the BenQ monitor to refresh the display signal. Step 3. Adjust the refresh rate settings for the BenQ monitor from your computer display settings. Step 4. Inspect the power cable of the BenQ monitor to make sure the BenQ monitor is getting stable power. Step 5. Try using another HDMI or DisplayPort cable with the BenQ monitor to rule out cable issues. Step 6. Test the BenQ monitor again and check if the BenQ monitor flickering has stopped.